Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to make a feather with a red rose and some birds. First up, we have set up our tattoo station with all the colors, needles, ointment, and green soap with other handy things. We have pasted our stencil, and now we will start the outline work. We will finish the outline first. Then we will be doing the coloring session. Now we will start color work on rose with green color in the leaves of the rose. It's time to put the red color in rose and leave the shading area as a skin, because our client wanted it that way. We will do some yellow shading in feather and the birds. Now we will see if there is any area which need the touch-up, and then we will clean the tattoo with green soap and wipe it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Please subscribe, like, and share.